Okay.
Oh, I got arthritis in my hand.
I sneezed in your hand.
And you did, you cocksucker. You fucking suck.